Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a Bitcoin update, little XRP and XLM update. Also, looks like the Nvidia earnings are on Wednesday, and I'm gonna give you guys some nice AI cryptos to look out for in case there's good Nvidia earnings on Wednesday. And also, it looks like Donald Trump is buying a coin exchange, a stock and a crypto exchange called BAKKT. We'll talk about that. And also got a little video for you guys. It's a funny video at the end of the video where Pippen, Scottie Pippen, NBA legend Scottie Pippen, talks about how he met Satoshi. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it, guys. Let's start off with the crypto bubbles. I always like to start off with the crypto bubbles. See how the day is going for the top 100. Looks like it's 50-50. Looks like 50% are green and 50% are red. What stands out is H-bar though. Looks like it's the top gainer for the top 100 here. H-bar is up 35% for the day. It's been making a move. If you would have bought H-bar at like at 4 or 5 cents in August, you'd be up a good 200%. So you'd be at least a 2x. It's already up to 15 cents. So yeah, H-bar is making a move, guys. So hopefully you guys bought H-bar when it was about 4 to 5 cents, guys. Looks like we got XTZ also all of a sudden making a move. It's been dead for a while. It hadn't been moving at all, but it's up 35% for the day. It's all the way up to $1.16. So also making a move. I remember when it was at 51 cents. At 71 cents, I mean, just about a week ago. So it's definitely making a move. XTZ, AKT is up 28% for the day. We got Caspa is up 11.9% for the day. XLM, staying up there. So it's at 23 cents, 81 cents, 0.2381. It's 10.2% up for the day, guys. So yeah, guys, looks like it's a 50-50 day. Half of the coins are green and half of the coins are red, guys. But don't get fooled. The next leg up for Bitcoin and your favorite crypto is due any day now. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $91,454. Looks like Bitcoin is still consolidating for the last 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days. And then November 13 was when I made the current all-time high of 93,495. So it's been consolidating ever since. So it's been consolidating almost a week. So I'm thinking that Bitcoin's gonna keep consolidating maybe for the rest of the trading day for November 19, because we're already on the trading day of the 19th, and maybe by tomorrow or the next day, we should see the next leg up for Bitcoin, guys. So don't get shaken out. Don't be fooled. Don't listen to the FUD out there. If you're hearing people saying, "Oh, Bitcoin's gonna dip," pretty soon it's gonna crash. The recession, the wars. Don't get fooled, guys. We are in a parabolic bull run cycle, so Bitcoin's not gonna crash. Bitcoin's not gonna go to zero, and I don't even think we'll ever see 60,000 again. You could kiss goodbye to 60,000, and maybe into the next bear market we'll see 60,000. But for this cycle, 60,000, you could kiss it goodbye, and maybe even 70,000. I believe Bitcoin is going to consolidate for another day or two, and I don't think we'll actually go lower than like 85,000, guys. I think 85,000 is the line in the sand. So we might have a quick dip to 85 before it goes to the next leg up. But if you look at the chart, it's pretty bullish. I mean, ever since the Black Monday low of August 5th, 2024, it's been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. And right now, it's just been consolidating for the last 6 days. And I believe it's getting ready for its next move up, guys. It's getting ready for the next leg up. So the trend is bullish, guys. And as traders, we gotta trade with the trend. Because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. So that's why I'm trading bullish. So I'm just gonna stay bullish in the market until the trend tells me otherwise, guys. We just got to keep looking at the charts every day, let the data come in, and also we got to look at the data from the history, because usually history repeats, and history is saying that we are in the parabolic bull run right now. Bitcoin goes into its 4-year cycle, and this is the last phase of its 4-year cycle, basically where it goes parabolic. And I do see Bitcoin topping off somewhere in 2025, most likely in September 2025, give or take a month, is when I see Bitcoin topping off. But there is a small chance, a small percentage, like a 10% chance that Bitcoin top might come in mid-March to April in 2025. But it's a very small chance, like a 10% chance. I'm more into the belief that Bitcoin is going to top off in September 2025, give or take a month, maybe in August 2025 or October 2025, right around there. But for the short term, guys, don't get bearish on Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin's getting ready for the next move up. I do see Bitcoin, rallying all the way up to between $100,000 and $120,000 from today all the way up to like Thanksgiving or a few days after. I do see Bitcoin making a local top between November 29 and December 2nd. So somewhere between November 29 and December 2nd, I do see Bitcoin topping off between 100,000 and 120,000. And when it tops off sometime around there, it's going to do like a 20 to 30% correction, guys. So if Bitcoin's right around 120,000, let's just say in November 29, it makes that local top of 120K. It might do a 30% correction, and it might come all the way down to 90,000, guys. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned to the channel. We'll keep you updating every day. But for now, the Bitcoin rally is going to continue for like another week, and actually more than a week, for like another 12 to 15 days, and then it's going to top off and do a 30% correction, guys. So yeah, guys, expect Bitcoin to be around 100,000 to 120K around Thanksgiving Day, and it might top off November 29 or sometime between November 29 to December 2nd, guys. Now let's get into the XRP update, guys. Another one of the channel's favorites. Current price of XRP is $1.13. It did make the all-time high on November 16 of $1.30, right around there. Depends which exchange you look at. Somewhere between $1.27 and $1.30. Made that all-time high on November 16, and ever since then, it's just been consolidating. It did make a local low of a dollar, but like I said in my previous videos, I don't think it's gonna go below $1. I think that's pretty much baseline for XRP. I don't think we'll see a lower price than $1 for XRP into the next bear cycle, guys. So you could kiss under $1 goodbye for XRP, guys. We were not gonna see it until the next bear cycle, guys. But for now, we're gonna see nothing but upward prices for XRP. If you've been listening to my videos, I do believe that XRP is gonna rally until probably like another week, probably like somewhere November 24. I do see XRP making a local top, and I do see XRP topping off somewhere around $1.50 to $1.60. Might go a little bit higher, but I'm being conservative. I do see XRP topping off between $1.50 and $1.60 somewhere around November 24, give or take a few days, guys. So yeah, don't expect XRP to dip below $1 anytime soon, and I think the rally is going to continue for like another week, and it's going to top off right around $1.50 or $1.60 minimum. Maybe a little bit higher, but no less than $1.50. So by November 24, I do expect $1.50 XRP, and by November 24, I do see a local top coming in, and we might see a correction, maybe like a 20-30% correction, like Bitcoin. Now last cycle, in the 2020-21 cycle, XRP did a massive like 75% correction when it on November 24 of 2020, but I don't think the correction is going to be that big this time around. Last time around in the 2020 cycle, I do believe it corrected really hard because the XRP, because of the Ripple and SEC case. But now the the Ripple and SEC case is about to end. Gary Gensler is about to get fired, or he's going to quit. So I do think the correction is going to be less. I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere around 20% to 30% correction. So let's just say if your XRP is around $1.50 on November 24, and then the local talk comes in like around $1.50, $1.60, then you're probably your XRP might correct, somewhere around like 50 cents, so it might correct all the way back down to $1. But I don't see it going below $1, guys. I think we could kiss $1 we could kiss under $1 goodbye for XRP until the next cycle, to the next bear market, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP. A lot of good things are coming for XRP. I do believe the XRP ETF is going to be approved in 2025. Probably as soon as Donald Trump takes office and Gary Gensler is no longer the SEC chair, we're going to see XRP Moon and XRP ETF come in. And yeah, guys, so stay bullish on XRP. And just in case you haven't listened to my other videos, I do see an XRP price target. My realistic price target is around $15 at the top of the bull run for XRP. And I do believe the top's probably going to come in somewhere around March 15 to April 15 of 2025. That's when I see the XRP top cup coming in, and probably around $15, right around there. And now, just in case, like like the Bitcoin bull run cycle gets cut short, I at least see XRP like a bearish case scenario. I at least see XRP reaching its all-time high of $3.35. But I mean, that's like almost guaranteed, guys. I mean, it's almost guaranteed XRP is going to reach its current all-time high of $3.35. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only invest in the market what you're willing to lose. And my bullish case scenario for XRP, let's just say Bitcoin gets to if Bitcoin reaches 250K or above this cycle, then I do see XRP reaching around $20 to $24, guys. So my bullish case scenario for XRP is between $20 to $24, guys. But realistically speaking, I do see it topping off somewhere around $15, give or take a few dollars. But medium range around $15, guys. That's where I'm setting my price targets, guys. All right, now into XLM, guys. Another one of the channel's favorites. Current price of XLM at the time of recording is $23. I mean, not $23. I wish 23 cents. So 23.7 is the current price of XLM. Is 23 cents, guys. It did top off all the way up to like 25 cents 5. So almost 26 cents. A couple days ago. And right now it's just been consolidating between 22 cents and and 20 and 25 cents. I do believe just like XRP, XLM is going to run until November 25. XLM usually runs the day, right after XRP. XLM usually chases XRP. It doesn't mean it's any less than XRP. I think XLM and XRP are equals. I love them both the same. I love XLM and XRP. You guys who have your own favorites, but to me they're both my favorites. So yeah, I love XLM and XRP, and I do see XLM topping off right around November 25. Well, I mean just a local high, not like the all-time high, but I do see XLM doing a local top around November 25th, and it's gonna do a local top around 27 cents to 30 cents. So I do see one more leg up for XLM before it does a 20 to 30% correction, just like XRP. So yep, another week of a rally for XLM, and then it's gonna do like a 20 to 30% correction. That's what I'm seeing in the charts, guys, in my research. So yeah, expect XLM to rally all the way up to like November 25th, give or take a few days. And I do see the local top coming in right around like 27 cents to 30 cents, guys, right around there. It might be a little bit higher, but I'm being conservative around 27 cents to 30 cents, right around there, guys. So yeah, guys, don't get bearish on XLM. A lot of people think the 20-30% correction is going to start now, but I don't think it's going to start until November 25th. And until it reaches at least between 27 cents and 30 cents, and then we might start seeing a 20 to 30% correction. But don't get bearish after that. It's just going to consolidate after the correction, and then it's going to get ready for another leg up. And I do see my realistic price prediction for XLM is right around $3. I do see XLM reaching around $3 this cycle. And my bearish case scenario is at least reaching its current all-time high of 93 cents. But that's, that's less likely. I mean, something drastically would have to happen, like a super black swan, or like the Bitcoin bull run cycle gets cut short. But I more realistically see XLM hitting around $3. And just in case Bitcoin hits 250K or above, then I see XLM hitting around $5, guys. So $5 is my XLM extra bullish case scenario, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into Nvidia now. Before I talk about the AI coins, I want to share this quick Nvidia video here I found, just a few minutes long. Let you guys hear it, and then I'll talk about the AI coins.
Speaking of corporate earnings, right, the most important stock in the entire market for a while now has been Nvidia. They report this week now. The company's diehard believers say this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You must own the stock. Of course, though, there's still a whole lot of doubters out there with this one. In fact, they're pointing to things like execution, a major concern over the weekend to report that those Blackwell chips are overheating. Also, for a while, there's been talk of accounting issues there. But my next guest is long this stock and says if it does pull back this week, you should be a buyer. Let's bring in Laffer Tingler, CEO and CIO Nancy Tingler. Nancy, why such strong belief in this company?
Hi, thanks for having me, Charles. Doing my Trump dance for you before you had to ask. I think a couple of things. The headlines that you just showed would make one think that the stock is down materially today. It's down 1.22%. Now, that is not to say it will not correct on earnings, or that if this problem with the overheating chips gets larger and less controllable, that the stock will sell off. Remember, it was selling below 100 this very summer, just a few months ago. So I think what you want to do with this stock is you want to use those opportunities to add to holdings. And that's when we initiated and added to our holdings this summer, because what you have is a company that is expected, and it's an expectation, but is expected to grow 120% next year and then decelerate from there down to 45% in 2026. So if that's the case, and it's trading at a just under 50 multiple, the PEG ratio is pretty compelling, and that's price earnings to growth. So what am I paying for a future unit of growth? And this company is also pretty attractive on a price to free cash flow basis. So just last year, it was trading at a PEG of 7, a price to cash flow, of 7 times, and now it's down to a little over 3 on the price to free cash flow, and a little over 1 on the trailing PEG. So I think it's pretty attractively priced. If you believe the AI story we do, I think you want to add to it.
Now, you've got a couple other positions that report this week as well, Walmart and Palo Alto.
Yeah. Walmart's our poster child for our investing theme, which is old economy companies that have pivoted to the new technologies. They raised the dividend 9% 2 quarters ago after years and years of 1% dividend growth. That tells you management's confident. They have really embraced all of the technology. So here again, if stock's done pretty well.
All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video right there of how they're saying the Nvidia earnings are this Wednesday in 2 days after hours. So definitely stay tuned to that, guys. You don't want to miss out in case there's really good earnings for Nvidia. There might be an AI pump. Now, the last Nvidia earnings last quarter was a sell-off, guys. It was definitely a sell-off. So I don't know if this time's gonna be a sell-off or it's gonna be a pump. But if I had to guess, I'm thinking my instincts tell me it's gonna be more of a pump. So if Nvidia has good earnings, guys, I do believe the AI coins, the AI cryptos are gonna pump, guys. That's because we're in the parabolic Bitcoin bull run, and probably by Wednesday, I do see Bitcoin starting to move to higher prices. So that might be a lot of bullish news. Bitcoin will probably be pumping. If you have positive Nvidia earnings on Wednesday after hours, then the AI cryptos might pump too. So the biggest AI crypto is Near Protocol, guys. Don't want to miss out on that. It's got a lot of heavy hitters behind it. So definitely keep an eye out for a Near Protocol, and it's a super low price too, guys. I mean, it hasn't even pumped at all. I mean, it's only $5.95. So I mean, there's definitely a lot of good gains for Near. So if you still have some dry powder on the side and you want to do like a quick trade, it might Near Protocol might pump on the AI news. Or even if you want to not even do a quick trade, but you want to just invest it for the bull run, for a few months, and once Near Protocol starts mooning, Near Protocol, I do see a lot of potential on Near Protocol, so it might be a good play in case you're looking for a good AI coin, guys. ICP, also a really good price, guys, only $9.46. I mean, the all-time low for ICP was like $3 and something, so it's only up about 2x from its all-time low. And what I like about ICP is that all of its token supplies are in circulation, so the team's not going to dump on you or anything like that. So definitely look into ICP, guys. It kind of reminds me of Jasmine. Jasmine is also has all of its circulating supply. So it already pumped a lot. Jasmine did, but ICP hasn't. So ICP, it might be pumping on this AI earning, guys. That would be a good a good reason for ICP to pump, guys. So also Render, can't miss out on Render. Another good AI play. I mean, there's so many, guys. There's Tau, BitTensor. It's pretty expensive, guys. I mean, unless you have a lot of money, maybe invest more into like Near Protocol or or ICP or Render or even FET, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. But if you have a lot of money, Tau is also going to be a good gainer this bull run cycle, guys. There's always Injective, although Injective has run a lot already. It basically ran up all of 2023 and 2024. That's why it's kind of consolidating right now. But it might have one more leg up. But if you're looking for bigger gains, I would look more into like Near Protocol, ICP. Those I think are going to be bigger gainers because Render and FET and Injective, they already ran up a lot. And Tau is cool and all that, but I think it's kind of expensive already. But unless you have a lot of money, and you could afford the $495 per token price, then it's a good. It is a good investment. But I mean, if you only have like $1,000, you don't want to buy like 2 Taus, because you're not gonna make that much. But if you have like $1,000, you could buy a whole bunch more ICPs or a whole bunch more Near Protocols. There's also the Graph, Theta Network, Akash Network, AOS Network. Although the AOS Network already is mooned a lot. You should have bought it at a penny. I remember it was around a penny. You'd be up like 85x right now if you would have bought it at a penny. It's also going to run up a lot. The market cap is still only under $1 billion. But you'll have bigger gains. With lower market cap coins. Like even Turbo, I think will get you bigger gains than IOS because IOS already run up a lot. Don't miss out on Turbo. It's really popular. Turbo is the number one meme coin, or the first meme coin that got generated by an AI. That's why it has the AI label to it. So don't miss out on Turbo. If you're looking for a meme coin and an AI play, Turbo would be the one for you guys. But Arcam, this is a really good one, right, guys? I like this one a lot because the market cap's only 484. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's only got like 22% of it's in circulation. So, but don't let that stop you because there's been a lot of examples of low circulating supply cryptos that run a lot, even though they still have a lot that hasn't been unlocked. But I do think Arcam is gonna run hard. This is one that I would recommend. It hasn't run yet. Unless you would have bought it, around I think the local low was like 36 cents, right around there. That was the bear market low. If you would have bought it at 36 cents, then yeah, you'd be up like a good 5x, right around there. but I still think it has a lot of room to move because it's only $484 market cap, and it's also like a security. It's a security and AI coin. It basically secures the blockchain. So definitely look into ARKM with the ticker ARKM, guys. That would be a good. That and Turbo would be good ones for bigger gains than the bigger market cap, guys. But look into ICP and Near Protocol too. I think they're gonna run hard this cycle too. I mean, there's IONET, there's Prime, Echelon Prime. It's also low market cap, and it's at a great price right now of $8.99. I remember it got to as high as $20, so it's got a lot of room to move, guys. So yeah, look into these lower market cap ones like iAether, ATH, Flux, FLUK. Some people like Casper, CSPR. There's a lot of them, guys. Cadena, Dilithium, Cubic, Chromia, Nosana, Spectral. The lower market cap will probably get you good gains. IQ. There's ArcBlock. A lot of people like ArcBlock. Although I don't know, ArcBlock already ran a lot hard. I mean, if you would have bought it at 8 cents, ArcBlock, that would have been cool. But it did get to $4 already, guys. So a lot of times, when the coins run hard during the before the parabolic bull run, they don't run that hard during the parabolic bull run, guys. So ArcBlock already had its little mini bull run cycle, guys. But I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air on this one. I do like it, but I mean, I like it because it's got a small market cap. But this might be a long-term hold. If you don't mind holding, a long time, ArcBlock would be good. But I have a feeling, it might not run that hard because there's a lot of people who bought at $4. So there's gonna be a lot of resistance. There's gonna be a lot of people selling off at $4 because they bought the high, they bought the top. So there might be a lot of resistance. So it might be a while before ArcBlock breaks $4, guys. But you guys do your own research and don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. But I don't know about ArcBlock, guys. If you would have bought it at 8 cents, that would have been great. I do think it could probably get to $8 this cycle. But I think you could have bigger returns, like on Turbo and Near Protocol, ICP. What was the other one right here? ARKM. I think you got bigger gains on ARKM and Turbo than on ArcBlock. But if you like ArcBlock, go ahead and buy it. You guys buy whatever you guys like. So there's a lot of them, guys. I could go over all of them, but that would take forever. But there's Token 5, only 58. That's another good one I recommend. Token, it's a real world asset and a AI label to it. Only $58 million. So look into Token, guys. Only $58 million. And if you only have $1,000, you could buy a lot. It's only 5 cents, guys. So look into Token, guys. Token 5 with the ticker Token, TOKEN, only $58 million market cap. So definitely, there's also Forda. Forda is like a security, blockchain. So definitely, only $50 market cap. That might be a good one. It hasn't been doing much. The current bear market low was 3 cents. So it's only like a 2x from the bear market all-time low. The all-time low was 3 cents. So only a 2x from the all-time low. So definitely look into Forda. That might be a good one too. That might be a lot of big gainers, guys. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of AI coins. If I can't go over all of them right now, but just go to coinmarketcap.com and just click the AI, and it'll pull up all the AIs. You guys probably know this, but if you're a beginner, just go to coinmarketcap.com, and then at the top you click AI. There's memes, Solana ecosystem. You click AI right here, and it'll go to the AI right here. Speaking of CoinMarketCap, let's see what the current market cap for the whole crypto market is. So the whole crypto market cap is 3.08 trillion. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, all altcoins, and stable coins. So yeah, we definitely we're above the last all-time high for the market cap was 3 trillion made in November 2021, and now we passed that, guys. So we're in price discovery of the whole crypto market cap, guys. So we got nothing but blue sky from here. We're definitely going to start mooning pretty soon, guys. Don't doubt that for sure. The greed is still high, 83, but the greed could remain high for a long time because we're on the parabolic bull run, guys. So don't let that fool you either. And the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. It did get as high as 61, but it's only 58.67 according to CoinMarketCap. So that's why a lot of altcoins have been popping off. And since Bitcoin has been consolidating, just being neutral, a lot of altcoins have been popping off. Like Solana almost going to hit its all-time high of 250. It's at 240 right now. So that's why the Bitcoin dominance is dropping off, guy. XRP's been popping off. Dogecoin, Cardano, even Cardano's been popping off. And usually Cardano is just a stable coin. Tron, Shiba Inu, Toncoin's just been stable, but it's going to have it's going to moon too. It's going to have its day in the sun also, guys. So don't miss out on Toncoin too. Avalanche, one of my favorites also. I think don't miss out on Avalanche, guys. I think Avalanche and the Avalanche ecosystem is going to be next in running, guys. Sui's already run hard. It's already about like a 7 to 8x from its all-time low of 36 cents. Yeah, actually it's at 10x. Yeah, 36 cents times 10 is 36. So it's already at 10x from its all-time low of 36 cents. And Chainlink's probably gonna pop off pretty soon. Dot, Dot might be a good one. Pretty soon to pop off. I mean, the all-time low is like $2.69. So it's only about like a 2x from its all-time low. So Polkadot might be mooning pretty soon.
Props, right? Because you posted on X that Satoshi visited you in a dream, said Bitcoin would be 84,650 November 5th, and sure enough, it hit that target. Did you buy more at that time right after the dream? Props, right? Because you posted on X, but over the weekend, my next guest actually claims that he met Satoshi. Watch this.
You mentioned you met Satoshi in Seattle in 1993.
Yes.
He also came to you in a dream. You have a nice relationship with Satoshi.
I feel like I do.
Yeah.
I feel like I have a story to tell. Definitely have an opportunity to meet him back in 1993.
Joining me now, NBA legend Scottie Pippen. Scottie, I got to tell you, Michael Saylor gave you that look like, okay, my man, we want to hear this story, so I'm glad you came on the show to share it with us.
He definitely gave me a beautiful look after I said that, but yes, I was actually telling him that I met him in 1993, but more so, currently I was able to speak to him in a dream.
In 1993, what were those circumstances, though? And did you know about did he explain Bitcoin to you way back then?
No, he didn't explain it to me then. If so, I would have been a lot further ahead of the game. And like most people, I sort of got out the gate late. I started really learning about Bitcoin last year. I think it was around 33,000 or so per coin. So I really started to study the whole world and to try to get a little bit more educated about it.
Did you have a eureka moment where you got it? I mean, because I think most people who study it, particularly people who hear about it and dismiss it initially, like Wall Street did, they look deeper and then they have like a eureka moment, like this is the answer.
Yeah, I think that's what it's been, and I think everyone is really trying to, sort of get a grip around what the blockchain is really about, and how do you get involved, and you have to be ready to study it and understand it. At times, it can be very volatile.
Yeah, a lot of people have to study it, but if you're getting dreams, you got the inside scoop, man. So you did get a lot of props, right? Because you posted on X that Satoshi visited you in a dream, said Bitcoin would be 84,650 November 5th, and sure enough, it hit that target. Did you buy more at that time, right after the dream?
No, I didn't buy any more, but I felt like I had made a pretty good prediction.
Yeah, you did. Obviously there are people out there who doubt what you're saying, who have, there are some diehard Bitcoin folks out there. It's a community out there. But I also think it's pretty good that so many people are interested in it. I mean, what do you tell folks who come up to you and say, hey, I heard about you, I know you're investing in Bitcoin. What do you tell them, people just on the street who are interested in it?
I tell them to buy ball. I have the Game 5 ball for my 1991 championship, and I've tokenized it. So I would tell them to buy ball. I believe that we're going to make this the next big currency, and I believe in it.
Oh, so buy like collector's items then, like that, sports memorabilia.
Actually, it's not a sports memorabilia. What I've done, I've really taken the ball from my 1991 championship, and I've passed it to the community. So I'll let the community really decide as to what avenues, as where we would go with ball, but we will continue to grow the brand. It's been tokenized, so we see it as a real world asset, and we feel like that one day it will be the most iconic piece of sports memorabilia as well.
What are you telling, you had a few athletes who actually have taken Bitcoin, and many of them were ridiculed initially. Are more athletes who are currently playing saying, hey, should I take part of my salary this way?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely see where this is really connecting tech with sports, and there's definitely a couple of athletes who's definitely taken that gamble, and it's been well worth it.
All right, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Pippen saying he met Satoshi. I forgot to unmute it in the beginning, guys. So probably like a minute or two of it was all in silent, and then I rewinded it and unmuted it. So hopefully you guys don't mind that. Sorry about that. Forgot to unmute it, guys. But I did play it in its entirety. So hopefully you guys got to see it. All right, guys. Just stay bullish in the market. Stay tuned for the updates. I'm gonna have updates on Bitcoin, XRP, XLP, and different topics every day. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.